Hey guys, my name's Andrew, founder of Social Marketing 180, and I have our client here, Wesley. She owns about 4 different locations with Restore for Wellness. We just came out of their event, and we got to catch up, and I want to do an in-person testimonial. And Wesley, you mind introducing yourself?
Yep, I'm Wesley. I'm from Searcy, Arkansas, and we're in Austin today for the Restore conference. And I've been working with Andrew and SM180 for
About 5 months.
about 5 or 6 months now, and all 4 locations are using the services with SM180, and so far we've been really impressed. We've done some third-party marketing before that just didn't have the same lead nurturing, lead generation. It didn't have the attention to detail that Andrew and the team have put into their ads, their nurturing, all of the call center. You know, all of that stuff is taken care of, and I don't have to do it. My staff doesn't have to worry about texting back the clients all the time or communicating constantly with all of these leads. So taking all the work off of our plate and giving it all to them has been a huge advantage.
Oh, awesome. And if you don't mind, Wesley, what was the experience like before? So when we started doing all of your guys' leads, doing like the nurturing, did you guys do lead follow-up beforehand? And what was that like?
Yes, so we were doing some of that lead follow-up, and again, it's just very time-consuming for us, and so to have the the call center doing that for us, it's just made a huge impact and a difference on our productivity during the day. We can get the tasks done that we need to get done. We can help our clients in the store instead of being on our phones trying to just communicate with leads that are not yet in the store.
Absolutely. So I know you gotta go, you gotta catch a flight.
Yeah.
So one last question.
Okay.
If they don't completely or directly compete with you, would you recommend us to work with other restorers or other cryotherapy locations?
Of course, I do that all the time anyway.
Awesome. Well, thank you
All right.
so much. It was
Okay.
great to see you in
All right.
person. And
Yeah.
can't wait to keep working.
Thanks, guys.